Sure, here's a fully scrambled and natural-sounding YouTube review script for the 2025 Yamaha RX100 without any headings. What's up, riders? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something special, a first look and full review of the legendary return of a beast, the all-new Yamaha RX100 2025. That's right, it's back, and it's meaner, sleeker, and more refined than ever. Let's dive right into it. So the first thing you notice is the design. This isn't just a tribute, it's a rebirth. Yamaha has managed to blend that classic RX100 DNA with modern design cues. The tank has that muscular stance, the lines are sharper, and the ultra-shiny glossy black finish, absolutely stunning under the light. Whether it's parked or in motion, it grabs attention. Coming to the heart of the beast, the engine. Yamaha has kept the spirit alive with a new 200cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that strikes a perfect balance between performance and efficiency. It delivers an impressive punch while still maintaining that signature RX rawness. The throttle response is crisp, and the ride feels tight and controlled. You'll feel the rush in every gear. Yamaha didn't cut corners with features either. You get LED lighting all around, a fully digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and even a USB charger. Safety-wise, it's equipped with dual-channel ABS and disc brakes at both ends. Definitely a step up for urban riding and highway stability. Now, let's talk about comfort. The seating is slightly sportier compared to the original, but still upright. Enough for daily rides. The suspension setup, telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, handles potholes and corners with ease. It's nimble, it's sharp, and it keeps you engaged on every ride. Yamaha made sure not to mess with what made the RX100 iconic, that raw, thrilling feel of riding. But in the 2025 version, you also get modern reliability, safety, and finesse. It's a perfect combination of nostalgia and innovation. For those wondering about mileage, Yamaha claims around 40-45 km/PL under mixed riding conditions, which is pretty solid for a performance-oriented commuter. In terms of pricing, Yamaha is aiming to keep it competitive. While the exact ex-showroom price hasn't been officially confirmed in all regions, it's expected to fall around the mid-range premium commuter segment. To wrap it up, the Yamaha RX100 2025 isn't just a motorcycle. It's an emotion reborn. It respects its roots, but it's built for today's roads and riders. Whether you're a hardcore RX fan or just someone looking for a stylish, punchy, and reliable ride, this one deserves your attention. Don't forget to like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you ride the RX100 2025? Or do you miss the two-stroke roar? Catch you in the next one. Ride safe and ride smart. Let me know if you want a shorter version, a script in Hindi, or one tailored for a comparison video.